Okay, so in this same diagram, I will explain you margin of safety. Okay, so last lecture we did this fixed cost line, we did this output wala concept, that is the units. Then I also told you about total sales and total cost, the lines that we have, total sales line and the total cost line. Then total, what do you call, your variable cost line. And then I explained you BEP. BEP was nothing but the point of intersection, yeah, this point of intersection between the sales line and the cost. Okay, so this was BEP. Now let us understand what is MOS, margin of safety. Okay, so this example that I had given you last lecture explained about break-even analysis. Okay, yeah, I had given this example where the selling price is from ranging from 10 rupees to 4 rupees. Okay, and the corresponding profit ranging from 4 rupees to, yeah, 4 rupees to 1 rupee. So this zero profit method, no profit, okay, MPNL indicates the break-even selling price. Okay, so the 6 rupees मेरा break even selling price है. मतलब अगर मैं 6 रुपए में मेरा प्रोडक्ट बेच रही हूँ तो मुझे ना प्रॉफिट होगा ना नुकसान होगा. ओके, तो दैट क्लियरली सेज दैट अगर मुझे प्रॉफिट कमाना है तो आई शुड कीप माय सेलिंग प्राइस अबव ब्रेक इवन. So if I tell you anything above break even is profit, true or false? It is a true statement. Anything above break even is always profit. See, you can see this here in an example. See, ये पूरा रेंज प्रॉफिट का रेंज है. ओके, और इसी को मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी बोलते हैं. This is called margin of safety. So my business is safe if my selling price is ranging between 7 to 10. Yeah, don't forget that. My business is safe if my selling price is ranging between 7 to 10. Okay, yeah. 7 रुपया करो, 8 रुपया, 9 रुपया, 10 रुपया. This is safe. Okay. And anything that you sell below VAP is what? It is loss. Okay, so if you look into the diagram, this diagram, okay, so anything above BEP, okay, BEP के ऊपर होना चाहिए. ठीक, I'm sure to just a minute. Anything above BEP, ये BEP है, so anything above that, ये this is MOS. The diagram, anything above BEP is MOS. Am I clear? Is it clear to everyone? Anything above BEP, okay? Don't forget. Okay? Profit zone, ये यहाँ से ये पूरा, this is MOS because this indicates profit. Okay, so yeah. So next lecture when I'll be taking up formulas and sums with you, that time you will understand how these formulas are framed. Okay. Okay, I'll show you what is contribution also here. What is contribution? Sales minus variable cost is contribution. Formula is sales minus variable cost is contribution. So after contribution इधर आएगा. Yes. sales minus variable cost. Okay, so ये जो difference है ये am I clear? Is it clear? Now is the diagram clear to everyone? X-axis denotes units, Y-axis denotes cost or revenue, cost and revenue. Then fixed cost line, locating profit, loss, BEP, MOS, and contribution. Okay, this diagrammatic presentation of BEP chart and the CVP analysis. Okay, so this is the formula part. Okay, the various terminologies in marginal costing, which is a part of your formulas. So it starts with contribution, sales minus variable cost, and the other formula of contribution is fixed cost plus profit. And how do you get it? Obviously from the statement. What is your statement? Statement कैसे बनाते हो? Sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution minus fixed cost is equal to profit. This is what you write down in a marginal quotient, right? So this is the first formula, sales minus variable cost is contribution. Second formula, students, you will get from here. Okay, you're going to get it from here. कैसे? Go reverse, तो ये minus plus बन जाएगा. So I can say contribution is fixed cost plus profit. So that is how you get this formula. These two formulas. Okay. Right. Then next is PV ratio. What is PV ratio? It is an indicator of the rate of profit. It is an indicator of rate of profit which is earned by the businessman. Okay, so it indicates the rate at which you are earning your profits in business. Okay. So marginal costing में profit दिला तो it is not net profit, it is always the gross profit. मतलब the word gross profit we call it as contribution. So marginal costing is not about net profit, it is all about gross profit. Okay, जिसको हम contribution बोलते हैं इस chapter में. तो PV ratio formula is contribution upon sales into 100 and PV ratio का the other formula, okay, which we use in sum solving is difference in profits upon difference in sales into 100. Okay. And see, I've clearly highlighted here. This formula will be used only when 2 years profits and 2 years sales is given in the question. Right. Next, BEP in units. Okay. So what is break-even point? It is a point where the businessman makes no profit units. Okay. So when I say my decision is on the basis of variable cost in marginal costing, when I say my decision is on the basis of contribution in marginal costing, means what? I am able to recover my variable cost. Okay, I am able to recover my variable cost. But after contribution, I write fixed cost is equal to profit. But मेरा जो decision making है वो तो इस basis पे हो ही जाएगा. I will not depend on profit. I am going to depend on contribution for my decision making. Correct. So that means fixed cost is not recovered. When anything is not recovered, matlab I am paying it from my pocket. That is why I've written here fixed cost is paid. Okay. So the logic behind remembering BEP is just remember fixed cost is paid. I told you the logic why fixed cost is paid. Yeah. Is this clear to everyone? Clear? Is it clear? That's the logic how you remember the formulas. Clear to everyone? Okay, great. Thanks, Amiksha. इसलिए आपका फॉर्मूला देखो, न्यूमरेटर इज व्हाट, फिक्स कॉस्ट. डिनोमिनेटर, when you want your answer in units, you should always divide with contribution per unit. When you want your answer in rupees, you should always divide with PV ratio. Okay, so these are the tricks and techniques to remember the formulas in this chapter. Okay, denominator is not going to change. Yes, the numerator will change in MOS and BEP, obviously. Okay, so that's the logic behind the numerator, the fixed cost in break-even point. So BEP ka there is one more formula. You can verify your answer. BEP in units multiplied with selling price per unit. This is as simple as how you calculate sales. अगर मुझे sales निकालना है rupees में, तो मैं कैसे निकालूंगी? Selling quantity multiplied with selling price per unit. This is how I get sales. The same logic is behind the formulas given to you. Okay, it is BEP in units multiplied with selling price per unit. Next is MOS. Margin of safety mein what happens? Profit is earned by the businessman. Okay, yeah. And what is the definition of margin of safety? Excess of actual sales over BEP sales. Okay, so the first formula of MOS in units is profit is earned by the businessman. That is why the numerator has profit. And you want your answer in units. So see, you will divide with contribution per unit. You want your answer in rupees, you will divide with PV ratio. Okay, that's the trick and technique. Right? Then one of the formulas of MOS is its definition. Excess of actual sales over BEP sale is the definition of MOS. So if you look into your formula, see, actual sales in units minus BEP in units. Same formula is there for rupees also. Actual sales in rupees minus BEP in rupees. Okay, and obviously you can use the third formula as well. MOS in units multiplied with selling price per unit. The same logic what we use for BEP. Okay, so you should know all the formulas so that you can verify your answer by using the other formula. Okay, and you should also see the exam what information is given and which formula can be used to calculate the missing information. So that all comes with practice, obviously. So this is what I had explained. And then desired sales and desired profit. Desired sales mean what happens is in future fixed cost is paid and profit is earned. So see, you will see the formula. Fixed cost plus profit. You want your answer in units, contribution per unit. You want your answer in rupees, then divide with PV ratio. Okay, the logic remains same for all the three, BEP, MOS and desired sales. Clear everyone?